Hello everyone, I hope you all must be doing good. So today I got LG G8X Thing, which is currently my daily driver mobile phone. I was using Galaxy Watch 3 from a long time with different Android mobile phone. Currently it is connected with the LG Android mobile phone. Yes, the Galaxy smartwatch can be connected with any Android brand mobile phone. This is not like the Galaxy Watch will connect only with the Samsung phones. You can connect with any other Android brand mobile phone. Yesterday I bought Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, little bit used, slightly used, and in a black color, good condition. Now this watch is obviously much better than the Galaxy Watch 3, although the Watch 3 still performing very best, but new look, new design, new strap, etc, etc. Anyway, like getting it back and connecting it with the mobile phone and installing the Galaxy Wearable application, which was already installed, and I was using Galaxy Watch 3. Then when I connect the Watch 4 Classic, you can see that the current interface of the Galaxy Wearable, if it is connected with the Galaxy Watch 3, this is the current interface. And I will switch off the aeroplane mode on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic to let connect again with the LG mobile phone. I will tap here and I will tap the Galaxy Watch 4 Classics. Now the Watch 3 will disconnect and the Watch 4 Classic will get connect. Now you can see that the interface got changed after connecting the Watch 4 watch with the Galaxy Wearable application. And I was surprised looking at the interface of the Watch 4 Classic. I was surprised once again when I saw that, because I was looking for the watch face and I see that get new watch face for One UI 6.0 watch. This is actually like downloading the Watch 7 watch faces for the Galaxy Watch 4 series, Watch 5 series and Watch 6 series. Yes, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic will get new latest watch face with the help of the Galaxy Wearable application, but we have to update Galaxy Wearable application first from the Google Play Store. Then we can go here and we can download these three watch faces which are currently available, and I hope in future we will get more. So after downloading all three watch faces, if I tap over here and the Galaxy Watch 7 watch face is on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and if I want, I can customize the watch face by going over here, change the things over here, background, clock font. Few fonts are provided over here, and this is the complication color, complication 1, etc, etc. Now the other watch face, because right now we are getting three watch faces of the Watch 7. This is the second watch face that I got on my Watch 4 Classic, and the third one, which is my favorite one, the one which come default with the Watch 7. Yes, looking beautiful, getting it on the Watch 4 Classic. Nobody knows that the Watch 4 Classic will get the Watch 7 watch face easily and officially. Yes, officially, I mean to say, not any third-party watch face installing it from any other website. So what we have to do, we have to update the Galaxy Wearable application first, then we can get the watch faces. But let me remind you that these new watch faces of the Watch 7 cannot be get on the Watch 3. These Watch 7 watch faces is only for the Wear OS, starting from the Galaxy Watch 4 series, then Watch 5 and Watch 6. In case if you are not getting any update, by checking on the Google Play Store, you see that still you are having the old Galaxy Wearable update or Galaxy Wearable application. What you can do is to look for the latest version on the internet. This is the current version. If you get this version on your mobile phone, you will get the Watch 7 watch faces on the old smartwatch, Galaxy smartwatch like Watch 4 Classic. So you can look for this current version, latest version on the internet, downloading it, then updating it manually by installing the current version you have downloaded from the internet. So the Galaxy Wearable application will auto update, and then you can get the Watch 7 watch faces on your Watch 4, Watch 5, Watch 6. So this was the small information about the updates with the Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic, having the LG mobile phone, not the Samsung but the LG mobile phone. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.